In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show payments on an invoice in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to confirm which payments have been applied to a specific invoice and how to open the related payment records for more detail. Start by heading to the left-hand navigation bar and selecting Sales. This is the area in QuickBooks Online where all of your selling activity is organized, including customers, products, and, most importantly for this walkthrough, your invoices. It's the quickest way to get a consolidated view of your receivables. Once you're in Sales, go to the Invoices tab. This tab displays your full invoice list, including open, paid, overdue, and partially paid invoices. You'll see useful columns like the customer name, due date, status, and balance due, which helps you quickly spot the invoice you want to review. Now you'll see a list of all your invoices. This list is your hub for tracking what's been billed and what's been collected. If you've been recording payments in QuickBooks Online and applying them to invoices, those connections will be visible from here. Click on any invoice you want to review. When you do, a panel will open on the right side of your screen showing the invoice details and activity. This panel is designed to give you a fast, focused snapshot without leaving the page. You'll see key information like the invoice date, amount, balance due, and the customer, along with a running activity log that tracks what's happened on that invoice. In the Invoice Activity section, look for entries that indicate payments received. Each payment applied to the invoice appears here in chronological order. You'll typically see the payment date, amount, and a note or reference, along with a hyperlink that takes you directly to the payment record. Those links are especially helpful if you want to verify how the payment was received, which account it was deposited to, or whether it was part of a partial payment. If the invoice shows a balance due, that means either no payment has been applied yet, or the payment was only partial. If you don't see any payment entries in the activity, the invoice hasn't had a payment applied in QuickBooks Online. Payments will only appear here once they've been recorded and associated with this specific invoice. That's all you need to do to show payments on an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Go to Sales, open the Invoices tab, select your invoice, and review the activity panel for the payments and their links. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly where to confirm payment details right from the invoice view.